Hello students, how are you? I am going to start chapter 5th, Children and Women in Sports. Learning objectives, motor development and factors affecting it. Exercise guideline at different stage of growth and development. Common postural deformities, knock-knee, flat foot, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis, bow legs and scoliosis. Sports participation of women in India, special consideration, female athlete tried. Motor development and factors affecting it. Motor development. Motor development involves the underlying biological, environmental and task demands influencing both motor performance and movement have ability of individual from infancy grow older adulthood. Motor development can be divided into two types. First, gross motor development and second, motor development. Motor development in children. First, early childhood. Second, middle childhood. Third, late childhood. Early childhood. The period of early childhood starts from third year and continues till sixth year. The motor development during this period takes place rapidly. This stage is also known as preschool year, middle childhood. The period of middle childhood starts from 7th year and continues up to the 10th years. During this period, children became active and agile. They have strong desire to engage in various physical movement and activities. Late childhood. The period of late childhood begins from 11th years and continues up to 12 years or till the beginning of puberty. Strength began to differ, but the difference are small. Boys and girls are able to complete evenly. Factors affecting motor development. नेक्स्ट है आप लोगों का फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग मोटर डेवलपमेंट. देयर आर मैनी फैक्टर्स विच आर लेबल टू अफेक्ट मोटर डेवलपमेंट इन चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्ट, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज. सेकेंड, postural deformities. Obesity, environmental factors, opportunities. Physical activity is a very important part in our life and motor development at a faster rate. However, the physical activity moves the according to the ability of children. Second, postural deformities. Postural deformities in children definitely affect their motor development. And next है obesity. Obesity and being overweight have negative effect on the motor development of children. It means that children who are overweight or obese are not to avoid these motor activities. Next, environmental factors. Environmental factors such as physical and social factors are likely to affect the motor development of children. They are given more opportunities to take part in sports activity. Those children who are not encouraged or motivated toward motor activity have slow rate of motor development. And next is opportunities. Opportunities, fact that children who get ample opportunities to do more and more physical activity or motor activities are likely to have better motor development. In fact, opportunities to participate in motor activities give a better chance for developing sensory motor abilities. And second question is exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. These are the physical activity has the potential to improve the physical and mental health of the nation. There are following guidelines related to exercise or physical activity, just like infancy, early childhood, later childhood, adolescence, adulthood. फर्स्ट है इन्फेंसी 1 to 2 years. This stage of growth and development, physical activity or exercise should be encouraged. They should be provided with safe environment for performing these activity or exercise. Second, early childhood 3 to 7, 8 years. This stage of growth and development, such exercise or physical activity should be encouraged, which helps in developing competence in movement skills, just like jumping, catching, throwing, etc. And next is later childhood, years 8 to 12. This stage of growth and development children be the however activity related to endurance should be avoided. Stress should also be laid down on organized or team game which aim to develop social and stage. Children should be introduced to competitive sports and taught the basic rules of sports competition. Next है adolescence 13 to 19 years. Adolescence moderate to vigorous intensive exercise physical activity is recommended for at least 50 minutes and up to several hours every day. Physical activity or exercise such as running, gymnastics, push-ups, jumping, playing, swimming, table tennis should be included. And next, adulthood. Above 19 years, adult should try to be active also. They should walking, bike, reading, dancing, swimming, and they should also engage in running, aerobics exercise, weight training, push-ups, sit-ups for muscles strengthening. So they should perform resistance exercise at least a week to tones their muscles and bones. These exercise increases skeletal muscle strength, power, endurance and mass. Okay, thank you.